Have you noticed in the morning you are focused, you are clear, you are in control of everything you want to do for that day? You have programmed each segment of your day, but by the evening, you started making bad decisions. You are now eating what you shouldn't eat. You are now scrolling for hours, avoiding what matters to you. This is not a discipline, problem. It's a decision problem. Your brain has a limit. It runs on energy. The decision you make, like what to eat, what to wear, where to go, and your brain uses this energy every time. Small choices always, feels harmless, but when they add up, they distract your brain. They make it unfocused. It's now hard for the brain to pick what to do, just like the way you maybe put too much apps on your phone. It slows down the ability and the effectiveness of the brain, and by the end of the day, before you know it, you are mentally drained. So here is the solution. Treat every decision like an energy, not something that is unlimited. Don't put too many inputs on your brain, because it makes it low on efficiency. Now let's move to why you get worse at night. As your energy drops, so your brain switch modes from logical thinking to easy, fast mode. You now avoid anything that will stress you. Your ability of thinking deeper is already gone at this hour. You now look for easy things, fast, result. This is the solution, and it's very, very important. Don't trust importance in decisions when you are tired. Always move them to earlier in the day when you have much energy. You think big decisions, drains you, but the truth is they don't drain you. Decision like, okay, I want to send my daughter to, the university. That kind of decision does not drain you. The decision like, okay, I want to build house this year, is a targeted, decision. They don't drain you. It is the smaller ones, constantly checking your phone, endless strolling. Those are the decisions that drains you. Now I will tell you why this is, powerful enough to drain you. Because these, decisions destroy your focus. It redirection your focus to another thing. Take for instance now, you are thinking of how to send your daughter to university, and you keep strolling, maybe go to TikToks and all other apps, and there is a video about students being kidnapped in their hostels. This kind of video has already destroyed the plans that you have. You were not thinking too many things. Oh, I will now use my big, hard earned saving money to send someone to school, and later the person will be kidnapped. So that's why I say small decisions are the ones that drains you, not the bigger one. Think of something of such, what you can do to such plan that you have already set. This is the solution. Remove unnecessary choices that you make. The irrelevant choices, remove it. Limit the apps that destroy your focus. Simplify your routines, and your opinions matter a lot. Yes, reduces bad opinion after making a decision. Yes, reduces this, because once you don't reduce it, they will keep interrupting, disrupting that good decision that you have made. Now I will tell you why smart people still fail. Not because they don't know better, not because they are not wise enough to make the good decision, but because they are exhausted. There is no good decision somebody can make when the person is already exhausted. You are tired. There is no energy anymore. So you now choose easy steps, quick actions, something that is going to happen maybe in the next 5 minutes, over the importance, something that's supposed to plan ahead. This is the solution. Always build system, not reliance on a willpower. See, I personally say this myself. It is best to build a legacy than, build something that will last you for the next, 3 years. And at the end of the 3 years, you are left with nothing. Yes, the most successful people today that I have read about, the one I have also seen, are the people that can sit down in their parlor and be controlling money and be controlling their weight. Why? Because they have built legacy that enable them to do it. So engineer your day. See, if you want better decision, sometimes you need to change your environment, because your environment is causing more harm than you may even think right now. Most times when you hear me say this, change your environment, I did not actually mean you should leave the home that you are right now or your place of abode to another place. That's not what I meant. What actually means is plan your task ahead. Yes, plan your day in advance. Yes, you can plan the next 5 days from today. Yes, make fewer decisions. And if you have to make decisions, let it be the better ones. Protect your best hours. See, your peak energy in you is very, very limited. Yeah, so use it for important things. Yes, important works. Yes, those, small or shall I say easy tasks, you can move them to later. But your best hour should always be for something very, very big, something huge, because it is not all the 24 hours you have the energy. You may not have, heard this before. Control your evening, because evenings are dangerous. This is the time most people lose control. Do this. Set a cut-off time. Make your evening very, very simple. Evening is even meant for relaxation. Yes, it's meant for you to rest. So use it very, very well, and make sure you have enough rest. Listen to this very carefully, especially if you are feeling bad right now. I will tell you this: you are not making a bad decision. You are just making a tired decision. That's it. Not a bad decision. Fix your energy and your decision will surely fix themselves. So thank you for watching the video, and a big shout out to you on the other end of the screen. Thank you for always watching, and you know that I love you so much for stopping by. Though there are many things you could be doing, strolling, watching Mr. Beast, watching I Should Speed, but you are here right now watching this video. Thank you, and a big thank you for always showing up. Stay safe and have a nice day ahead.